Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to fix the Steam no connection error step by step, fully updated for 2025. If you were stuck offline and Steam says it cannot connect, don't worry, this quick fix will help you get back online and gaming in no time. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So first of all, we are going to talk about check your internet. First, make sure it is not just Steam. Test your internet by opening a website or streaming a quick video. If your connection is down, restart your router or switch to a different network. If other devices work fine, move on to the next step. Next, you just need to be stream, like restart your stream. Next, close stream completely. Then click the stream icon in your system tray and choose exit stream. Make sure it's fully closed in task manager. If you are on Windows, then launch stream as administrator. Right click the icon, choose and run as administrator. Then check stream server status. Sometimes it is not you, it's stream. Open your browser and search for Steam server status. Like here, let's search for Steam server status and let's hit enter, and here you can find out is then a couple of things like if servers are down for maintenance, you will need to wait, or you can visit this stream state.us. So here you will find out that if servers are down for maintenance, you will need to wait a bit and try again later. So here you will find Steam service, and here you can see all are normal. So as you can see it, so from that place you will find out your Steam is working or not, is the problem in Steam or in your network. Then clear Steam download cache. If your servers are fine, try clearing your download cache. Like open Steam, click Steam in the open left and then go to the settings. So here you will find out the setting options. Here just click over here, and then here you will get the options for setting. So here in the desktop version we don't have, but you will find out these options in your desktop version. So if needed temporarily, like Steam will log out, just log back in to check if the error's gone. Then check your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus can block Steam. Open your firewall setting and make sure steam.exe is allowed through. If needed, temporarily disable your antivirus to see if that's causing the block. Just remember to turn it back on afterward. Then update or reinstall Steam. Like if you're still stuck, make sure Stream client is up to date. Like you can download the latest version from store.steamport.com. Then if it is still on, connect, uninstall Steam and then restore it. Don't worry, your games are safe in your Steam library folder. Then let me give an extra tip, that is flush DNS. One final tip, sometimes clearing your PC's DNS cache helps. When Windows open command prompt as administrator, then type this one like ipconfig/flush hdns and press enter. Register your PC and Steam and see if you are back online. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to fix the Steam no connection error in 2025. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any question. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.